Welcome to the Due Diligence and Research Services section of Diversified Risk Management's website. Diversified's seasoned research analysts enable lawyers, business executives, and banking professionals to make informed decisions about people and companies with whom they do business. Our wide range of investigative due diligence and information gathering services help mitigate the inherent risks in today's business climate. Our research can be suited to aid you in transactions relating to acquisitions and mergers, joint ventures, venture capital, private equity, and other investments via comprehensive due diligence. Research can be a daunting task. Over the years, our experienced investigators have developed various proprietary strategies that produce effective and objective results capable of withstanding third-party scrutiny. We take the headaches out of the research process and allow you to focus on the bigger picture. Our experienced research analysts are capable of retrieving public records across the U.S. and abroad, including court records and real estate records in a very timely and expeditious manner. Whether you require court-certified documents or just informational copies, we can dispatch investigators immediately and obtain the files you need. We also have access to private databases containing thousands of records, including records of ownership, employment, business affiliation, and phone subscriber data. Should you need to locate someone crucial to your case, such as a witness, defendant, or debtor, we can quickly conduct a skip trace to locate them. If you require an address or phone number, we have access to the data you need to meet your objectives. If you are considering litigation, we can perform asset searches on any potential defendants to determine if they have assets worth going after. Post-litigation, we can help you satisfy your judgment by conducting comprehensive bank account and brokerage account searches to locate funds held by the debtor. We can locate assets, witnesses, and evasive defendants for process service. We offer detailed background investigations and vendor screenings on individuals and businesses. Our discreet and comprehensive investigations are compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. If you are considering an acquisition, merger, or new partnership, our due diligence service can be invaluable. We can verify information you receive from a prospective partner and help you avoid dealing with disreputable businesses. Basing decisions on incomplete or inaccurate information developed from outdated databases can potentially compromise your organization's strategic direction. Incomplete and unreliable data often fails to identify risk and creates unnecessary expenses. For these reasons, many of the world's leading law firms and companies retain our services. Call us today at 800-810-9508 for a complimentary consultation from the experienced, results-driven professionals at Diversified Risk Management Incorporated, or simply click on the free consultation tab. A representative will respond to your inquiry immediately.